Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove, update, and shut down or restart or update in Windows 11. This is, for example, there is an update and restart, update and shutdown. You can completely remove this option. So first thing to do, you can try to open Surfaces. You can try to search Surfaces. Here we go, Surfaces by System. And try to search Windows Update. So you can right click and click Properties. Here you can try to start up type just a disabled, and also you can try to stop. As you can see, I already stopped it. And also the second solutions, you can try to run as administrator a command prompt and try to write shutdown space strips s space strips t and nil or 0 here, and then hit enter. So there will be no option shutdown and restart, shutdown and update, or restart and update. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.